Okay guys, here we go with me and Heather at the Carnegie Science Center, part 2. This part 2 actually is a little weird that I'm calling it this because it's more us playing around in a giant eagle. So Science Center - Giant Eagle trip. That's what it is. Okay, see you later. I'm playing a game in Giant Eagle. Because
actually,
there's
it's
a map.
the Market District.
Whatever.
Giant Eagle Market District. Okay, so it is Giant Eagle.
So you can get lost here, apparently. And
so we're gonna try to get lost.
So
see if we can find our way back here.
Okay, I need to pick a number.
Okay, so like it's 1 goes all the way. No, B goes all the way up to 19. A goes all the way up to 13, and then there's like all the letters till L. Okay, so pick something. I'll tell you if it's here.
What's up to L? C.
C? Okay, so we're here. We go this way. Until you hate me.
What's really crazy? Where are we found C. Okay, now what do we need in C?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Hey, there's a commercial. This is us. Like, there's a commercial for this.
I had my finger in front of the lens. Oops, sorry guys.
Okay. Pick another letter.
You pick this time.
Okay. H, because Heather. We go this way.
Oh. You found it. Oh, these look like roses.
I'll pick 1 and then a letter. I mean, no, B and then a letter. And B and then a number.
Letter than a number.
B then a
Skincare.
Okay, so wait, B9. We're going this way?
Hello.
It's like that way.
That diagonal.
See if we can do it without
these
out
are
there.
cute. These look like doggy stuff.
We found B14, so now we just have to get like B9. So we have to go like that way 5.
Like that way, like a million. Don't know where we're going. What we're doing.
Neither do I.
Food. Doggy. Treats.
Dog treats.
Let's see, I'll take these for Catherine. Oh, it's no wonder I picked this.
B9 is pop. I
There's
like this
no
section.
wonder why I picked this.
Okay, now I need to pick one that's A.
Here, can I do the directions?
Yeah.
Okay.
A. Let's go A1 because A1.
Okay, we're B9. We're B9.
Let's
We need to
go this way.
This way, and then.
Okay, now put the map down.
That way.
And let's see if we can do it.
It's like we got a map.
This is a fun game though.
It's
curing stuff, curing stuff, curing stuff.
Carrot. Why are you only showing me? Ooh, drinks. Ooh. Okay, I'm picking that number next.
Wait, what are we looking for?
A1.
Right here.
Found it. Somebody wouldn't let me look at the map. Okay, so A1 apparently is pastas.
A1. So if you ever come to this Giant Eagle and you want to know where pastas are, they're in A1. Okay, so
oranges.
Okay, so you get to pick this time. You don't look.
Well, I love your call. Smell like what was that?
Or you can pick like a restaurant type, I guess.
What?
Like bakery, candy, seafood, meat, cheese.
Candy, where's candy?
Just try and find it. It's this way. Okay, wait. We need to go like this way.
Candy.
Like literally this way.
B1 candy.
No, like the whole way on the wall.
Yeah, B1 candy.
No, it's not an aisle.
Oh, well, let's. Why would they have an aisle of candy and then a wall of candy?
Let's go through B2, because why not?
Go in B2 because you refuse to admit that B1 is candy. Eric! So 7B is what we're after now.
Okay.
We've had people ask us if we need help. Mentally, yes. I think we go this way.
Let's go this way though, like, so we can like cut.
We're 3B. never stop and ask for directions. Excuse me, we're lost. Can you give us directions to 70?
Oh, it's over here. I see it. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. And we're back at drinks.
No, it's a different drink style.
It is a different drink style.
This is sparkling water.
Sparkling,
Ooh,
my
these are
darling.
good. These drinks are good. I like this one.
Okay, pick. Okay, wait, it's my turn.
Oh, but I like the coconut. Right here. No looky.
You gave it to me. Wait, where are we? We're
7B.
there.
We're like up here.
Let's find floral.
That's whenever we walked in.
Oh yeah, it is.
I'm gonna go to the flowers on
Pharmacy.
Oh, I like meds.
Here, take this. We'll do pharmacy. It is in. Wait, it would be this way.
God.
We're 7B.
She's moving.
We need to go straight and then all the way to the right.
You're like killing me with paper. She's gonna like cut off her throat with paper. I cannot believe this, Heather. We created a game. My shirt, I forget what it says.
Read it, guys.
I think it's life is beautiful. They
Oh,
can't
it
do
won't
that.
zoom.
That's not how this works.
It's not how any of this works. I forget where we're going. Oh yeah.
Drugs. I love being in places where you don't find anyone you know. Because they can't judge you. Oh, let's not take that out.
Oh. Oh, or that one.
Where were you going?
Rachel.
What?
Or that one.
What's down here that you said, oh, or that one?
Come on. Come on. Come on. I found it.
Drugs?
It's right there.
Oh.
Okay, so.
I'm sorry, Greg.
Fabulous aisle.
Greg, subscribe to us. Let's go down.
Scents. Breathe deep while you sleep. Breathe deep, 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 deep.
Stop recording.
Scents. Oh, again. Sorry.
What do you do? These, that's just like things and stuff.
Ooh, that was grapefruit. That's one. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go in order. Patchouli. Smell. I know.
Are you sure about that?
I'm trying to like see if I can like line them up, like the soaps. Then don't smell them. Scents should not scare you. Okay, and now sea salt. Sea salt. That's a scent. Oh, I like sea salt.
Shampoo bar.
Oh, I like sea salt. Wait, shampoo bar?
Great for curly hair like mine.
Good for you. Sea salt is a good scent smell.
I have it in bath salts.
Okay, coffee almond. Ew, it smells nasty. No, I'm kidding. It smells good.
They want you to kiss people. That's inappropriate.
Turn chapped lips into wet kisses.
They want you to be
Lavender rosemary just went up my nose. Ooh, lavender with rose smells really good.
Oh my god, I love this one, or this one, or this one. Ooh, this one's cute.
Grapefruit. Grapefruit smells really good. This is
I
the
wish
first
I
one I
could like
smelled.
do my bedroom in this pattern.
I know, right? Wait, they can't see it. That
I
would be
want
awesome.
my bedroom to look like these.
Okay,
feel
now
bad for my
I'm
future
on
husband.
to
Crap.
this one.
Wait, is this this? No, this is this.
Oh, rosemary mint is good. Okay, wait, lavender mint. Wait, I'm doing them in order. Stop.
Weird. I love how they were
Small
probably.
lavender mint.
Oh.
Tangerine orange. Isn't that like redundant, like tangerine orange?
Aren't they the same thing?
Like they're both a type of orange. Cause orange.
Heather, you got it in my mouth. She got it like right here.
Okay, so this
She
one's
attacked
lavender.
me.
Lavender is fabulous. We
How
already
did I
know.
cut these?
Mama Zumma.
Mama Zumba.
Oh, Mama Zum smells really good.
Mama Zumba. Ooh,
You just saw my band. Okay. Grapefruit mint. Oh my god, this smells really good. Honey lavender. That also smells really good. Vetiver lavender? I don't know.
You're almost done.
Vetiver. That smells weird.
There,
Frankincense and myrrh.
Oh, I want to smell like baby Jesus.
That smells good.
That does smell good.
Dragon's blood.
It smells like church. That's creepy.
Oh my god, it smells so good. That's my favorite scent.
Wait, I want to smell honey and lavender.
I'm gonna smell one of these too. Lavender. Oh, it smells really good.
Wait, smell that one. It smells like Vicks.
Yeah, it's eucalyptus. That's the point. Ooh,
These all smell like Vicks.
not this one. Well, after you smelt that one, you're supposed to smell your
Your
sleeve.
sleeve. We look weird. Just sniffing our sleeve.
Okay, wait, this one smells really good.
It smells like Vicks. Heather, you're like a huffing Vicks.
No, I'm just smelling it.
Huffing Vicks.
Okay, let's move on. No, I feel like I'm smelling Vicks.
Because you are.
I am.
Freaking huffing Vicks. These are the buffers.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, rechangeable sides. I like that. Because mine are like already dulled out.
Yeah, I already bought a new one.
I haven't bought a new one. My mom keeps asking me, she's like, how are they holding up? And I'm like, great. In all reality, I can't use them anymore.
Same.
What is this?
I want one of these so bad.
What is it?
They're like, you put lipstick on this side and then you like blur the outside so it looks like your lips are like fading, so they're smaller than they actually are.
Why?
This is like the exact tone I need. Like, I ran out of like this exact thing. My money is in the car.
What?
I don't know, I was an idiot.
These are fuzzies. I would like all of them. Really made.
Hold this again. Why do you give it to me?
I don't.
So we gave up on the game apparently.
I didn't know. What? Mom! Nine. You guys vote. Tell us down below whose tongue is better. I have a weird tongue. I can't do anything with it. Yeah, I can attempt. I can't do that. I can flip my tongue.
No, rub this side of your tongue on the bottom. With like your finger. It should feel like it's like this bottom.
Hmm?
It should feel like it's this bottom of your tongue.
What?
It should feel like it, like if you're rubbing this side of your tongue, even though it's over on this side of your like mouth flipped over, it should feel like you're rubbing this side, when in reality it's this side. No, on the bottom. No, the bottom of your tongue.
I can't do this. What? Oh, like on the top? I didn't do it. Oh no, it itches. My tongue itches.
Why does your tongue itch?
Because I was like, it's like tickling it. Have you ever been like tickled and it's like, oh no, it like itches, like whenever a bug? It's a thing.
I don't think so.
I do. That's all that matters. I do.
It's not.
Yes, it is. This is like already a 7-minute video and I haven't even added in the Snapchat stuff yet. Pittsburgh, without it being Pittsburgh. Oh. She feels special now. In case you didn't know what this guy looks like. I really like this lipstick color on me. I'm gonna wear it like ever now. I have no.
Why got mine that I wore earlier? Like wore off. Oh my god, the one color, it's like a pinkish red at Claire's, and I ran out of it. I used it so much, and I'm like so sad.
What we normally do with the car. We finished our slushies. We finished the game. And we got free jump. Don't even know if they can see that. Okay. Heather, take them for a second. Give me. Give me. Give me. You're just like, I'm just trying to eat this popcorn. Feed the horse. This is how they feed the donkeys and stuff. Whoa! Your fingers taste salty. Not the popcorn, your fingers. Boy, Heather. So this is red leaving the red and blue at the Science Center. How did we do that? We both have our wrists too. See, my hand is not as huge as it is in the picture. Okay, they were both hurt. Snail. Wait, what is it? No, wait, it's snail.
There actually is a thing.
Turkey, snail. Oh.
Double-headed snail. Oh, and then it's centipede. And you put yours up too.
And then, oh wait, here, I know another one. Ice cream cone.
What?
Like, it looks like an ice cream cone.
I highly doubt this looks like it.
I don't know, I forget what it is. I think it might have been like that or something. That looks more cone-ish.
Go like this. No, that. No.
That looks like a cat or something. You're weird. Have fun with that. This is gonna be a long video. I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do, aren't I? Crap. We're in the earthquake.
6.5. New Zealand Arthur Pass quake. June 18th, 1990. god, there's an iPod. Like an iPod Nano thing.
Oh my god, that's so old. Pledge.
What's this? Whoa. Close?
Can we close
Be
this?
prepared to run out.
No.
It actually closes.
It doesn't. I think I pressed that. Oh my god. That guy creeps me out though. Okay everyone, I'm sorry. I know that was a super long video, and I'm so sorry for that, but I cannot make this stuff into like a 3-parter. I might have to though. If I do, you guys will know, because obviously there'll be a 3rd video. But anyway, that was me and Heather from Carnegie Science Center to playing games in Giant Eagle. So yeah. See ya.